Monday, February the 19th, and on our way to go drop off the second Can-Am. The other one I dropped off Friday. Taking it to Batesville, Big Delta Honda. So me and little buddy back there gonna go drop it off, and then come back to the farm and see when that excavator that we rented gonna show up, and yeah, we'll get to work on that, I guess. I think my dad and my brother went over to Shearer to go service some tractors over there, so they will be over there today, and then yeah, I'll be on the excavator, start working on that, and yeah, we'll see what the day brings. I do not know what time they will be bringing the excavator, so if we are back and they're not here yet, we'll change the oil on my sprayer and get that all serviced up. So let's go. Alright guys, I was busy with the filters, but then the guy from the trackhoe called, so I had to rush up to Blacktop to meet him. But he's coming, I can see him. Anyway, we're gonna get that delivered quickly. There's been some new developments on the farm that we'll see how it plays out before I let you all know. But anyway, we're gonna get it delivered over here at Range Place, and we might get on it today. We're gonna do some stuff on Range Place maybe, but yeah. Anyway, alright, here's an oil filter. We have two fuel filters. I need to go and see if they left me the wrench thingy to unscrew those, because they usually are pretty tight. it looks like this sprayer holds just a little bit more than 5 gallons. So I'm gonna go find the tools. What I like to do is take a little bit of oil and put it on this O-rings, and that way you don't fasten it up when it's dry and then you struggle to get it loose when the next oil service is due. So just take a little bit of this old oil, rub it on all this O-rings inside of there, and screw it back on. So the fuel filters and stuff, it's always a mess. So we're gonna spill a little bit, but I'm planning on taking stuff out anyway and go pressure wash it when the day comes to wax it. So I need to get all the dust off anyway, so we'll get it cleaned up. Okay, so got a new filter on. We need to put oil in, and I need to put the let's see, the air filter. Which is, I don't know, usually up there somewhere. Anyway, remember when I told you all some mess changing this fuel filters? I'll just see how wet it is, and yeah, I don't like doing that. So what's happening is the fuel drains and it falls on all these pipes and stuff right here, and it just splatters all over. That's why it looks like this. So I need to well, I don't have any oil dry, so we're probably gonna put a little gravel or so for now. But yeah, don't hire me to come do oil changes on your equipment, please. Anyway, I'm put an air filter in, and we should it's right there, just a little bitty thing. Well, looks like actually up there. Yeah. Get that changed over, put oil in, and she's done. So you take this one, flip it up, take it out. Not that it's real dirty, but we're gonna go ahead and change it. Put this one in, secure it, and no, why would it be close? Force, and you get stuff done, guys. Like that. Okay. No. Oh well, maybe it's not supposed to clip all the way. Okay. I guess so. Ready to go. Put all in. Okay, so I put 5 gallons of oil in, and we are above the full mark now, but the filters are still empty. So we're gonna prime the filters and stuff now. Come on your seat, buddy. So what we do is we cut it on, and the fuel pump is priming the filters, pumping the filters full. We're gonna do that 2 or 3 times, and then we should be ready to crank it. Okay, so we're finally done with some servicing stuff, so I decided I'm gonna get in this and see if we can figure it out and get some work done on the Zane's place. I've already been around with an excavator, so I got some ditching work to do back there, but it's still water and stuff and muddy, so I can't really do anything there. Over here I might go around and clean some more stuff up, but I don't want to waste our hours on stuff that doesn't need to be done. So anyhow, we'll crank this up, so that it's keyless, so to do is flip it to that side, press that button, and it cranks up. Figure out how to get this down. Y'all can actually hear me talking. So this is pretty cool. It's touchscreen and all that. We got 2 cameras, one behind, and so you can switch, I guess, between the cameras, which is pretty cool. And then I'm not sure what that is. Guess it's just some settings for the buckets and stuff. We're not gonna mess around with that. So yeah, pretty cool. Got some buttons over here. I mean, same as any other excavator. But yeah, 749.5 hours on, so it's pretty new. Has some scratches and stuff, but it's a rental, so people are not gonna care for it. So anyway, I guess we'll start with some of these trees, take some of them down, so where we can take our equipment down the road. Well, good morning guys. We just got back to the tracker this morning, letting it warm up, and then I'm gonna continue. So anyway, let's see. We should get pretty far today, since we're gonna have a full day. Alright, sorry guys, my batteries died, so I had to put it on charge. So I don't know where the camera cut off, but we're back on slabs are so high that I cannot reach it. But let's see if I can get this one. Okay, so we are still busy. This takes pretty long. And it works the back because this excavator doesn't have a window right here. He just had a plate on, so you can't look anyway. Anything, you can't look through here to see what's going up. So you need to lay down like this and look up through this window. And yeah, it works the back, but yeah, so far so good. Whew. Yeah, I can see the rubber is right there, and it's pretty high. So there y'all can see what more or less we are doing. Pushing all that back. Y'all can see what it looks like. And then what it looks like so afterwards. So my dad's on the dozer today. He's gonna come behind us and he's gonna clean it completely as far as he can. That way we can push the bush hogs and stuff in there and keep it mowed. So what he's gonna do is come in and fill those holes, get those little bitty stumps and stuff and saplings like this. He's gonna push it off and he's gonna clean it up behind us. And yeah, basically what we do is take some trees out and breaking limbs off. So anyway, we've put about 12 hours on this machine so far, and I really like this machine. It's got plenty of power. I'm pretty surprised. So here's my dislikes. It doesn't have a window on top, so I can't sit in the seat and just look up and see what I'm doing. I don't like that. It's a little light. I don't know if y'all can see on some of the videos that it likes to tilt a little bit, get off the ground if you are working too far out in front. So if we were to get the machine, I would put extra weight on at the back right there. And the hydraulic motor is a little noisy, it's a little loud. That's the other thing, but other than that, I like it. It works fine, has a lot of power, it's comfortable, so nothing really to complain about other than some stuff that I don't like. You'll see this, so I can open it and it'd be like that. But when I work up there in the stumps and the sticks and stuff, it falls, it's gonna fall right into the cab. So I don't want that. I might get knocked out by a tree limb or something. But anyway, yeah, that's why I keep it closed. But that's what I don't like. I like this, it's touch screen. You can do whatever. So it's pretty cool. 760 hours on now. We got it with 749, so plenty of space behind here. Little dirty, but other than that, it's pretty comfortable. I like it. So I'm gonna go and attempt taking this tree down. About 40 feet tall, about 36 inches wide. So I'm gonna have to dig around it pretty good, but if I can take that out, I have a bunch of place to turn around with my sprayer. And then we got a couple back here that I might have to attempt to take down, but I can gain another 25 feet of turn rate by taking it down, so we're gonna try it. tangled in my bucket teeth down there. Trying to get rid of it.
So let's see. Well, she did it. Not too shabby.
Well folks, I just got to the farm. Y'all can see we were busy yesterday getting that tree out, so I need to close all that up. And my brother brought a fuel trailer over here to put me some fuel in because I'm low, and he filled it up, brought it over here and tried to fill me up, but the pump went out on him, so they went to Memphis to go get a pump. They went to Memphis anyway for something else, so they got a pump at Memphis, so they'll probably bring it back and come put a new pump in, and maybe we'll still have some fuel left by then. But yeah, I still need to go all around that, all the way down there. So we got a lot of work to do. And tomorrow I'm gonna have a late start as well, because I have to go fetch some family that's coming in from South Africa at the airport. So yeah, and next week I'm gonna be off of work because my second baby is gonna come on Tuesday, so I'll spend a couple days at home. So yes, this will most probably be the last video, but anyway, let's get going, close this up and get that tree out of the way. Well, it looks like help has arrived and they're fixing that fuel tank, so they might just be in time. We'll see if they make it. We're not even halfway. I should really go and show y'all where my dad is pushing it with a dozer. Man, it's looking so beautiful. Takes a lot of time, but all worth it. We almost made it. It's almost 6 o'clock right now at night, but yeah, y'all can see we are doing something compared to what it looks like over here. So we're gonna go around, and it looks a little way down there, so we will probably not do anything in there, but we got this little bit to do yet. So over here I'm actually taking trees out because one day, hopefully very soon, this field's gonna get landformed and we're gonna build a pad. So I want them to build a pad over there instead of over here. So we'll build a pad right there, and we won't lose any farmable dirt. So anyway, I'm gonna walk back to the truck. It sits right there. And we'll go pick up Daddy. Let the old man knock off for the day. Y'all can see it's pretty rough out here, but my dad is gonna come and clean it up for us. So right here, I haven't even been here to knock limbs down, but my dad is cleaning this up as well. So I'll come back and knock these limbs down, but y'all can see what the good job is doing. Even right there, y'all can see he's cleaning it up pretty good. We're gonna have a blast spraying this spring.